So yeah, I'm back again for another one of those reviewing my wife's cooking. So the other day, we went to the Dollarama store, and I bought her a baking pan, like a baking cake pan, and after that, she was inspired to learn how to bake a cake, and that's why I'm here right now to taste her first ever cake, like the first ever cake that my wife baked. So let's see how it tastes like, or yeah, how it tastes like. There you go. That's the cake. So it kind of tastes sweet, and I'm not I don't have sweet tooth, so I'm not fond of eating sweet pastries or sweet things. But she told me that she will adjust the ingredient next time. So for a first time try, or a first time for the first time of baking a cake, this is something good. I mean, I like the presentation. She obviously made the presentation good. And I like the texture of the cake. Like the icing, tastes good. Maybe next time, if she try another baking one, it must if she adjusts the ingredient to like a less sweet cake, I think that it will definitely be something to look forward to in the next cake. Yeah, so that's it for now, and let's support our wife and in their endeavors and their hobbies and everything, and let's encourage them to have a better let's encourage them to pursue their dreams in doing these wonderful things that they like. So that's it for now, and I'm signing off.